Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this Halifax, UK bank review are down in the description below for your easy access. This review reflects my personal experience using Halifax's services. Halifax, a cornerstone of the UK banking landscape, offers a comprehensive suite of financial products designed for everyday needs. In this video, I'll share my personal experience with Halifax, focusing on key features, user-friendliness, and suitability for various customer profiles. Let's start with current accounts. Halifax excels in providing practical everyday banking solutions, from fee-free accounts to premium accounts with benefits like travel insurance, and even tailored accounts for students. Opening an account is incredibly straightforward, thanks to their intuitive website and mobile app. Speaking of the mobile app, it's a real highlight. It boasts smooth navigation, real-time balance updates, user-friendly budgeting tools, and secure biometric login. Whether it's paying bills, transferring money, or managing direct debits, the app handles it all with ease. Halifax also offers competitive savings options, ranging from easily accessible savings accounts to fixed-rate bonds for those looking for longer-term investments. For those considering mortgages or loans, Halifax caters to both first-time buyers and seasoned homeowners with personalized options. Their loan process is transparent, with no hidden charges and a clear explanation of repayment terms. Customer service is dependable, with numerous support channels available, including in-app chat, a dedicated phone line, and physical branches across the UK. In my experience, Halifax's support team has been responsive and efficient, providing an added layer of trust in their services. So, who is Halifax best suited for? It's an excellent choice for individuals looking for a streamlined banking experience powered by modern digital tools. It's also a great option for families managing savings and mortgages, as well as students who need straightforward account features. However, if you're a frequent international traveler, you might find banks with more travel-centric features elsewhere. In conclusion, Halifax delivers reliable and user-friendly banking solutions, supported by a robust mobile app and outstanding customer service. It successfully bridges the gap between traditional banking and digital convenience, making it a compelling choice for many UK residents. Explore the links in the description below to find the perfect Halifax product to meet your specific needs. Thanks for watching.